Hi, welcome to Exxpert SCM Training and Consulting. This video is about supply chain programs. What you can learn from this course. Mode: recorded session. Duration of each part. Part 1, 2 hours. Part 2, 8 hours. Part 3, 12 to 24 hours. 1. Principles of supply chain management. 2. Inventory management. 3. Demand forecasting. 4. Sales and operations planning. 5. Effective warehouse management. 6. Master scheduling. 7. Effective purchasing and strategic sourcing. 8. Lean supply chain. 9. Retail supply chain management. 10. Supply chain network design. 11. Data analytics for supply chain professionals. 12. Metrics for supply chain. 13. Supply chain risk management. 14. Manufacturing planning and control for the supply chain management. 15. Operations strategy. 16. Advanced supply chain management. 17. Advanced supply chain management in CSCL. 18. Logistics and distribution. 19. Supply chain analytics. To know more details about the course and prices accordingly, contact us today.